All right. Welcome back. This is Ali with another video. I want to go ahead and give an update on the EA. So far, the EA that I was working on had huge drawdown today. So I was running it for the majority of the week. I didn't run it on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but I did decide to go ahead and run it again today. Let me go ahead and give you the update here. So this is EA1 that I was testing, and I'll show you EA2 as well. So EA1 had a negative drawdown, well, a loss today of $6,705. So as you can see here, we're down to 107,000 on the account. Of course, we were up to as high as I believe $14,000, so almost um, half of our profits gone in one day. Now, that's the one thing with this particular EA system that I built. It doesn't trade a lot, um, so therefore it doesn't have so many chances to recover from losses. So with that being said, let's kind of take a quick little overview. Give me just a second here. Okay, so as you can see, here was the breakdown that we had before going in, and if I go into the trade history. Okay, so you can see it started off on 3/24. So the last trade was on Monday, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd was no trading. I didn't trade it, turned the EA on. Then I traded it today on Friday. And as you can see, this thing just took a hit for the worst. So like the first one, two, three, four, five, six trades were losses on that. And then, of course, the seventh being a win and then ending with another loss there on the day. Majority of these trades are pretty fairly quick on that end. So that's the one I would say major flaw with this system. It started off really well. So if it does get like a win early, the first win of the day, it'll stop trading. But it doesn't do well as far as it trying to recover and come back, just due to there's not a lot of setups within a trading day with this particular trading technique. So we'll go ahead and still work on this. I'll work on it, but so far it would have passed stage one of the challenge, stage two, but losing 6,000 in a day would definitely broke the 5,000 daily rule. So we'll come back to the drawing board here on this account. So this particular EA Solar Flare 1, we'll go ahead and scratch that and we'll come back with a new strategy. I do want to show you my second one that I currently have going. And this is probably one that shows a lot of promise as well. So this is the second one. I'm running this on the Hanko Trade server, MT4 platform. And as you can see, today we had $1,100. So same thing, started off with 100,000 demo account here, up 7.67% on that for the time being on the month. And if we go into the summary, so you can see here on the summary, this is trading at about a 68% win rate. Here, this is probably going to be a little bit lower um, as well because of the system that it runs. I'm expecting it to probably be closer to maybe the higher upper 50s, maybe 58, 59% win rate. Because with this, we're doing the same thing as the other system. We're trying to get $1,000 for the day and then have trading cut off at that time. But with this particular EA, it does have enough trades within the day to bounce back from three losers in a row, four losers in a row, five losers in a row, etc. So right now we've been doing 1% for each trade. Um, when we get ready to go into challenge mode and start the challenge, then that will go ahead and go down to at least half a percent. So instead of 1,000 per day, we'll be looking at trying to go for 500. So therefore, instead of having five trades losers in a row, which will be at down $5,000, here at least if we had those same five trades in a row, we would only lost 5 trades in a row. We would only be down 2,500. Okay, so in order to get to 5,000, we would literally have to lose 10 trades in a row. Okay, so 10 trades in a row in order for we to go ahead and be out of the challenge. So with that being said, this one is showing a lot of promise here as well. I have another system, but it's not going to be an EA. It's more manual based trading instead of a EA format. And I'm kind of working on that in the background as well. But this will be the second EA per se that we'll be looking at. So far it's been doing really well. As you can see, I've been running this second EA since March 13th. So it hasn't even been a full month. And we didn't even take 3 trades. 3 trading days that we didn't take this week would have been in profit when I went back and looked at Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So technically, we would have probably been closer to $10,000 profit on this particular account so far. But as you can say, very nice uh, growth curve right here. I did go ahead and purchase another funded trader challenge to go ahead and get ready as well. As you can see here, this would be a Royal challenge, 100K. So this one was just purchased in here today. As you can see, we just started. There's no stats, no win, no loss rate on that. Everything's at break even at this point. So we'll go ahead and get into this most likely probably next week, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm thinking about on that to go ahead and start this up, and then making that determination of whether it's going to be from either the EA performing on the second chart on the second one that we just looked at, the second EA Solar Flare 2, which you can see here. It definitely won't be Solar Flare 1 due to the issues we faced here today. So it'll either be the manual trading system that we'll do this challenge with, or it'll be the second one that we just looked at. So I'll go ahead and give you the update, but this is already taken care of. So we'll get ready to possibly start this next week. If not, the week after next, if I want to just go ahead and wait the week and, get some stats, a little bit more stats here on the system. But as of so far, that is it. That is the update as of right now. Of course, you got any questions, comments, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, feel free to like and share. Until next time, peace.